Hello and welcome. Uh, this is one of the videos in the part of the series we're doing where we enable users to use ElegantJ API effectively. Uh, for those of you who are new to ElegantJ API is a complete business intelligence platform. It's unique in its ability to scale, its amazing return on investment. It's listed in multiple Gartner reports. It's used by customers across the globe for users which go into for companies where the users are in thousands to small companies where the users are in 25 or 10. So it's quite versatile in its application. In this particular video, we're going to look at tabular reports. And as you would know, that tabular differs in the structure from crosstab. By its nature, the tabular report is a columnar report, and there is an amazing lot of analytics you can do with using a tabular report. There are other videos for crosstabs and other type of analytics at ElegantJ. I invite you to have a look at those videos, and also there is an eval version available on ElegantJ website. I invite you to download it. So now I'm going to hand it over to Pradeep, who's going to quickly make a crosstab, or sorry, a tabular report, and demonstrate its usage. Okay, here we go, Pradeep.
Let's have a look at the tabular report. Here from drop-down menu, you can select new and select tabular, and then let's select our view. So these are the columns that we can use in tabular report. For example, I'm taking city here, product name. You can also search your column from here, and you can add it. You can add the column here, and for example, let me take Brussels here. Let's take target. And you can also use the custom expressions. For example, already we have created performance custom expressions, and so here you can see that 7-page report is there. This is the first page here, so you can see a pagination here, and 330 records are there. You can see the outliner of this report from here. So now in this tabular report, we'll see that different functionalities. Here you can see that tabular properties are there. So you can see here in this report, the city name is getting repeated here, and we can use suppress repetitions here. So this is the functionality. You can see there are other functionalities are also available. So let's use this suppress repetitions and say how many records you want to load. So here, for example, I want to load 25 records. So you can see that now the city is not repeated here, and say let me remove a column product name from here. So now you can see that for each records of employee, city name is not getting repeated here. Now, for example, here Brussels and target is there, performance is there. So we want to find out, okay, what is the high performance, good performance. So for that, we can also use various functionalities here. So here, one of them is that spotlighter. I mean, in various ways, we can use this spotlighter to highlight the functionality. Say, example, I want to create a spotlighter for good sales performance. And I want to apply that to a particular column performance, and I want to select that. So this is the target column in which spotlight will be highlighted, and this is the column on which it will apply the condition. For example, I'm taking performance here. For example, any performance which is greater than 80. So I have added that condition here, and we can highlight the formatting. So I want to highlight that in green color. I want to keep my background transparent, and you can also have alternate text here. So we can highlight that, or we can highlight the number with the color, or you can use this alternate text on tooltip. So let's have a look at that. We can see that here this is the performance which is greater than 80% in highlighted with green color. Let's save this analysis, tabular analysis. So you can choose the relevant folder. You can also have your own folder, my folders, in which you can save it. Uh, you can use other functionalities. For example, you want to have filters, so you can also enable the filter here. This is the manage filters options. So, for example, I'm taking state here, city, state and city, product category, employee, etc. And then you can, so we have arranged that filters, and we can see these filters from here. So, for example, I want to apply filter on two cities here. So to clear the filter, I can use this option. You can also have retrieval parameters. So you can manage your retrieval parameters from here, and you can also configure that, like you can filter your view based on these parameters, and you can enable that at the loading of this tabular report. So, for example, I want city, and here, and I want that to show while loading the tabular report. So I have saved that now, and let's have a look at the tabular report. So here, before we are loading this tabular report, it shows that option to filter that view. For example, I want for 2016, and for say Lakeland and Orlando, these two cities, and you can see this view is filtered. So there are a lot of other functionalities are there in Tabular that you can explore. So this is a quite a brief overview of Tabular report. Thank you.